Press and hold Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Now type in regedit, regedit. So that press enter. Click on the arrow beside H key, local machine. Click on the arrow beside system. Now go to setup from the drop down menu. Go to setup. Right click on setup, new key to create a new key. We are going to name this key lab config, labconfig, lab config. Right click on any free space inside the registry, new dword 32-bit value. Click on that one to create a new value. Now name it bypass TPM check. Bypass TPM check. After that, you press enter and then you create a new value again. But this time we are going to name it bypass secure boot check. Bypass secure boot check. Now double click on the first one, bypass TPM check, and change the value data from 0 to 1. Press OK. Double click on the second one as well and change it from 0 to 1. Click on OK. Close the registry, close command prompt, and then close this error screen as well. Now click on install now. Windows 11 can now be installed without secure boot and TPM check.